Good afternoon and welcome to Seaton. Today I'm here to show you a fantastic 6-bedroom property which sits just a short distance from the Solway coast and with easy access into Workington town centre. This is a fabulous property. It's been built by the current owner and they've created a wonderful 6-bedroom space with 3 en-suites all arranged over 3 floors. We've got an impressive home here that you can see here is filled full of glass, and you'll see as we go through that the spaces are absolutely beautiful. It's ready to move into. It's also got the benefit of lots of parking to the front, parking area to the side, and a double garage and a low maintenance garden to the rear. So this is a fantastic opportunity. Now, just to give you some context to where we are, this site is built up a number of self-built properties, and as you can see, and perhaps here in the background, there is still some under construction on both sides here. But what you've got is a property which has been built to an exacting standard. The current owners have spared no expense creating this space, and it is a beautiful development. Each of the homes are different, so this is your chance to own a unique property. Let me spin the camera around, I'll show you the streets in, then we'll go inside and explore these wonderful spaces. Okay, so as you'll see as we go around, we've got a number of properties here. We're just in the process of putting a roof on this one over here, hence the noise that you can hear. But what you've got in the distance there is you've got the coast. On a great day you can see across to the Scottish coast, and we've got a number of properties here. There's a couple of self-built plots here which are waiting to be started. But the home we're bringing to the market today is number 15, the Woodlands, and it sits right at the head of this cul-de-sac here. You can see we've got a beautiful home here. We've got light-filled spaces both on the ground floor, the first floor through this window here, and up onto the second floor as well. We've got 6 bedrooms in total. 3 of those have en suites, a number of them have got dressing areas, and we've got some fantastic living space. We've got 3 reception rooms and an amazing dining kitchen living area to the rear which spans the full width of the property. So before we go inside, it's worth just noting that we've got a block paved pathway here. Either side of this is waiting to be tarmacked in line with a neighbouring property so that they all look very similar, and the doorway as we come up to it is very impressive. It's a composite door with a lovely feature panel, and there's going to be, as you can see, a path here that takes us round to the parking area and a path round to this side. But let's go inside and have a look at this home first of all. So a great space, and the room you can see as we walk in is absolutely beautiful. So the entrance hallway has got doorways leading off to 2 reception rooms and through some double doors into the kitchen. There's underfloor heating throughout the ground floor, and there's been lots of oak use. So we've got oak doors throughout and a lovely oak staircase with that glass balustrade leading up to the first floor. Now this is the lounge, which is a great space, lots of room here, nice wooden effect laminate flooring. You can see we've got the plugs there fitted for a wall mounted TV, and we've got blinds in the majority of the rooms as well, which is saving you an expense. Across to the other side, we've got what could be a snug, a home office, perhaps even if you're looking for a downstairs bedroom, you've got the option here as well. But this isn't one of the 6 bedrooms. We've got more on the next 2 floors. We've also got a downstairs loo, which is just in here. So this is fitted with a loo and a hand basin, perfect for modern family living. And you've got a space under the stairs here which could be utilised as perhaps a home office space or for storage, but this gives an idea of the amount of size we've got here. If I just step right back, you can see we've got an impressive hallway. Then coming through the double doors, now this is where the space really does come into its own. To the right hand side, we've got a beautiful kitchen. We'll look at that in a few more minutes, but you've got sliding doors, bifold doors which lead out onto the rear terrace. But if I pan the camera all the way around, this room is absolutely massive. So it's got LED lighting, it's got workings for a TV to be mounted on the wall there. This side, which I would imagine you would have as a lounge area, has got French doors going out to the garden. And standing and looking at this is a significant size here. You've got plenty of space for a lounge, then a dining area, and then this super kitchen. Now, the kitchen's got a wonderful stone work surface. The breakfast bar area's got space for seating. It's also got some cabinets. It's a lovely dark blue colour with some integrated appliances. So you've got a couple of ovens, an induction hob, you've got fridge, freezer, dishwasher, all with this fantastic work surface over and light streaming in through those bifold doors. You've also got the benefit of a utility room, which sits off to the side, which has got the workings for the boiler. In here we've got the electricity unit, and then behind me here we've got the plant room, which has got the workings for the underfloor heating, and you've got a doorway which goes out to the side of the property there as well. So a great kitchen, really sociable, and such an amazing living dining space. We're going to go outside and have a look outside in a few minutes, but we're going to go now up onto the first floor so I can show you the bedroom spaces. Now, this home has been completed to a really high standard, and as you'll see throughout, it's never been lived in. It is a home which is perfectly great for you to put your own stamp on. The addition of the oak staircase taking us up onto the first floor landing, and again continuing that glass balustrade along here fills this space with light. And if we go right to the very end here, you can see this is one of the windows we saw from outside. And on a great day, maybe not sure about today, we can see across rooftops to the Solway coast just in this direction. Now, there's 4 bedrooms leading off from this space. This one is number 1, which is a great size double room. Again, blinds, double glazing throughout. This room's got a walk-in wardrobe, which comes complete with a light and a radiator. And we have a shower room in here, which is very, very stylish. Lovely loo, walk-in shower with the alcove feature shelving, nice vanity units throughout, and you've also got the electrics there if you wanted to install an illuminated mirror. So that's bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2 is almost identical on the other side. So you've got a dressing cupboard there, and you've got another ensuite in the corner. We'll just have a look at that so you can see it's just as stylish as all the rest of the bathrooms in this property. Nice warm grey colours have been used throughout. Then as we go back along the landing, we've got 2 more bedrooms. One to the right, which is a good sized double room. And across to the left, another good sized double room. So no shortage of space here. There isn't a little room where you've got to squeeze in a child or anything. You've got lots of rooms that are proportionate. And we've got a fantastic bathroom, which has got the shower attachment over the bath there. Lovely slipper style bath, and more vanity units in here as well. So that's the first floor. Then we just keep on going. So no shortage of space here whatsoever. This is an amazing family home. Now, if you don't want a home for a big family, you could use these rooms for all sorts of different reasons. So craft rooms, office space. As we come up onto the second floor, you've got an area here which could be utilised as maybe a home office space. And either side of this landing, we've got yet another bedroom. There's a small walk-in cupboard at the end there. And finally, bedroom number 6. Again, we've got a walk-in wardrobe, and again, we've got a really stylish shower room. So you've got 6 bedrooms, 3 en-suites, a family bathroom. All of it has been completed to an amazing standard, and it is beautifully finished off throughout. It's ready to move into and offers you the idyllic life. So this home, you can just put your own stamp on the furnishings if you wanted to. You don't have to do anything to move into this home. It's completely ready to go. So now let's go and have a look at the outside spaces, and I'll show you that wonderful garden to the rear. So for the final stage of the video, I've just come back downstairs from the first floor, and we're going to go outside. So as you saw from upstairs, you've got an area here which is going to be parking. It's going to be tarmacked in the coming weeks. And we've got a lovely path which extends all the way round to an area which has been block paved. So this is great. Now, you could use this for a number of vehicles. You've got no shortage of space here, but equally you could maybe create an outdoor kitchen. You've got space for larger vehicles. There's tons of options here. You've also got this recently fitted fence line as well, which is really modern and stylish, so it's in keeping with the style of the property. And we've got this large detached garage space, so there is an up and over electric door in here, and this door takes us into that space as well. And just look at this beautiful garden. So this is quite extensive. I think we're about 15 meters all the way across there, and maybe even more. And you've got an area of artificial lawn, a fantastic terrace area, so you've got plenty of space for kids to play, but also just to have nice table arrangements. You've got so much space here, and a really good looking home, as you can see from the back. It's quite unassuming, so it doesn't look as big as it is on the inside. From outside, you don't actually realise it's arranged over 3 floors. You've got 6 bedrooms, 3 en-suites, all those reception room spaces. But this is a great size plot, believed probably one of the bigger ones on the development. And as I say, these have all been self-builds, they've all been built by individual people. So if you're looking for a luxury home that's just touching distance to the Solway coast, next to local amenities, on an exclusive development which is popular with families, with local people, and has got a home which is beautifully presented throughout. It's been built to a great standard and is luxurious and is ready to move into. So if you'd like more information on this wonderful home, please do give us a call on 01900 822 200, and we'll be happy to give you some more information and show you a viewing of this wonderful property.